Hey guys, welcome to the Explain Like I'm 5 session by the Dapp List. We started this series to run you through how to make use of the project on the Build Launchpad. Let's get into it. Today we have with us Fabius from Swidge. Swidge is an any-to-any swap, essentially transferring crypto from one chain to another and swapping to a different currency at the same time with a single transaction from the user. Fabius will be walking us through Swidge and everything we need to know. I'm super excited about this session. Fabius, over to you.
Hi, my name is Fabian. I'm one of the two co-founders of Swidge. We started this project about a year ago now, because we ourselves had the problem that we weren't able to do swaps and bridges across multiple chains. So we were both degen traders and started working on the solution to bridge and swap. And this is the result right now. About a year later, we're live on 19 EVM chains, and Sandro is gonna show you a little bit of the interface now.
So this is like our profile. We can connect different wallets and have different. We can call it wallets. Then we have like our history, transaction history with different things that we're doing, some assets that we have available on this wallet, and then we can just simply pick a token from any network. In this case, we're going to use Matic and go to any other token that we can find on any other chain. Like, reality is there are some limitations that we are currently yet facing because not everything is yet connected to everything, and that's pretty much because we have some provider limitations that we're facing yet. But we're working into see how we can actually connect really like anything into anything. Once we quote, like in this case, like Matic for USDC, we're going to go from Polygon to Phantom network, and in this case there's two options. One is the cheapest, meaning we're going to get more return, more of the final coin, and another one is the fastest, meaning it's going to take shorter. For the example, let's take the fastest and we switch. Switch means, well, it starts the execution. It takes a while because it needs to verify if we actually have like approved and whatnot. We confirm. I don't know if you're seeing the confirmation page, but in MetaMask now, confirmation is happening. And then when actually the transaction is going to get mined into the blockchain, then we will see like the current status of the transaction and how it's evolving. And this sometimes takes a little bit of time. So now it says that it's going to take, we're also working on this because it's going to take up to 11 minutes. That depends again on the bridge, how long it takes. Sometimes it takes a couple of minutes, sometimes it takes 15 minutes really. It depends. Well, in this case, right, like there's different transactions that take up to 30 seconds, 2 minutes, and the worst case scenario right now, it's like could be Connext taking up to 30 minutes. And we're working also on to seeing how we can speed this and offer the user at least information what's going to happen. So yeah, like not much more to show right now. Like we need for this to finish, we're actually swapping 35 Matic into 28, 29 USDC. This is the Polygon transaction which we need to fix. Fabian, we should open this new tab. Because now we lose the modal. We still see the transaction that is happening here, and we see this is happening, and it will be completed when. Okay, thank you guys. Like this is something to fix. we're going to have this. We can actually click there. We see the origin transaction, and we will see like the destination transaction here also. When it completes, it's going to take I don't know the time counter. Yeah, as features go and because I'm trying not to go into how we're doing it or what's happening behind the scenes or what are the future plans. This is the current state of the project right now, of the interface, and really what we're offering is basically the user easiness and reduced complexity into how to move tokens from one place to the other, trying to make it easy to find and deal with any kind of different assets that can live anywhere. We're working on to integrating different and more chains. And yeah, like really what this is like about offering the users like a nice experience on the process of actually dealing with this forest of chains that are there, and it's going to keep increasing. So yeah, if that makes sense.
All right, a huge shout out to everyone and thank you for tuning in and joining us for today's Explain Like I'm 5 session. Please do not forget to visit our YouTube channel for more videos like this one and multiple videos we've had with different protocols, super fun videos and informative video. I suggest that you go and check them out. And please do not forget to like, subscribe and share these videos with your friends. And until next time, take it easy.